Hey class, this is Mr. King. This is just a short intro into how you use the camera and email a video to me on your Chromebook. So this is going to be kind of weird, hopefully it'll work. So right here you go to your Chromebook, you're going to click the launch button here in the bottom left hand corner, and then you're going to click the up arrow and click on camera right here. Okay. So you click on camera, that'll open up your camera. You just need to make sure instead of photo, it's set to video. Okay, and then you'll click record, you'll do your video, you'll click stop, and then you can close out of the camera. The next thing you'll need to do is go to your email. So you click compose, put in Mr. King's email address, kingh@carbonschools.org. and just label the subject video or all about me video, or video 1 probably. Then you'll click the paperclip down there to attach a file. Your file will be under downloads and it'll be the video. Okay, once it loads right there, that blue bar, you click send and it will send it to me. Okay, and then you'll get your points.